two things. Number one, how hidden is our secret room? And number two,
oh my god,
our secret room is.
I can't believe I actually do it again. But he has taken over Battle for Dream Island. Okay, there are only 2 songs of it, but so we're not taking over Battle of Dream Island, but let's react.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've been waiting for.
I'm not waiting for
the best Battle for Dream Island song ever.
Don't you mean the worst?
Let's go.
This is a Battle for Dream Island song.
Oh, no, what?
Battle for Dream Island song.
We got Blocky and Bubble and Pin. Leafy and Fiery are more than friends.
I don't think I can build anything in the water. Let's find something else.
What do you mean by that?
Rockin' Snowball and the Red.
That is a golf ball. What? What Snowball looks like a wicked golf ball?
Like Needle and Match up, perfect 10, yeah. We got Flower and Woody and Spongy too. Coiny and Announcer just for the coup. Come on, who you think is gonna win? And listen to the song again and again.
This is a Battle for Dream Island song. Battle for Dream Island. The Battle for Dream Island song. This is a Battle for Dream Island song. Battle for Dream Island. The Battle for Dream Island song.
Go Blocky, go Blocky.
What do you
go Blocky, go Blocky, go Bubble, go Bubble, go Bubble.
So what the heck is wrong with Flower Spotty?
Go Bubble, go Leafy, go Leafy, go Leafy, go Leafy, go Fiery.
These spell Fiery wrong. Oh my god.
Go Fiery, go Crazy.
Someone will go to Avengers song.
Battle for Dream Island. The Battle for Dream Island song. This is a Battle for Dream Island song. Battle for Dream Island. The Battle for Dream Island song.
He took a he made a beat just 2 song, and we're gonna react to it. Actually, he made this song right here, probably X Leafy.
Fiery? Yes, Leafy. I don't think I can survive in Dream Island alone. Me neither.
Why does it always start like that? I can't survive in the circus alone. Oh, I can't survive in headquarters alone. I can't survive in Cabo 9 alone. Why does it always start with that?
It's just so scary without you. I don't care if I'll be burned alive. I want to be with you forever. Love me. Love me. I'm perfect for you. You're perfect for me. Why can't they see? Fiery loves Leafy. I'm perfect for you. You're perfect for me. Why can't they see? Fiery loves Leafy. Yeah, I'll burn for you. That is true. You ignite my heart.
But you're already on fire, so.
First things first, Disney is really known for their
I'm perfect for you. You're perfect for me. Why can't they see? Fiery loves Leafy.
Dreams are higher than my Jordan's flyer.
What does your Jordan have to do with any of this?
Yeah, my dreams are higher than my Jordan's flyer.
Okay, can you
Dreams
tell
are
me what
higher
Jordan has to do with
than my
this?
Jordan's flyer. Yeah, my dreams are higher than my Jordan's flyer.
I'm perfect for you. You're perfect for me. Why can't they see? Fiery loves Leafy. I'm perfect for you. You're perfect for me. Why can't they see? Fiery loves Leafy. Yeah, I'll burn for you. That is true. You ignite my heart. I'm perfect for you. You're perfect for me. Why can't they see? Fiery loves Leafy. I love you, Leafy. Don't get too close. Some people are worth burning alive for. No, Leafy, don't. Love you. My love burns for you like a melting sun.
Okay, what? Oh, fire we
How
go.
romantic. Oh, he's dead. Check out our Instagram for behind the scenes footage.
Okay, well, the song I really want to get into is the Freaky Inside 2 song.
Y'all ready to get freaky on the dance floor? Let's see how freaky you can get. Oh.
Okay, number 1, inside look at Ice Fire.
sadness. Being freaky brings me gladness.
Hi, I'm Freaky Fear. Ah, it's too freaky here. Hi, I'm Freaky Anger. This song's a total bang.
Also, now we got Brainrot's anger once again. I think you're wrong. What? You should have said that instead.
Anxiety is getting freaky. Everybody wants
Hi, I'm Freaky Donald. Time to get freaky.
All the things could have said, he said wiki deaky. Oh my god.
Hi, I'm Freaky Deaky. I'm in a freaky frenzy.
What the bro, why'd you make a business about the impractical SpongeBob here? You can get anything why is it animation? Let's get stacked. Whoa. That's kinda good. I guess it's popular. I know this is black. You might hate me for this, but I do not. I think I don't like that just song.
Check it out, I'm about to drop a beat. I'm freaking dance on the wildest beat. I hit the floor, energy's peaky. I'm freaking freak, I'm totally unique. Moving and gluing, it's electric. Yeah, I'm freaking sensational, not the key. My body's shaking, feel hectic. I'm freaking vibe, check the key.
You guys are gonna search song. What makes up what?
I'm freaky disgust, and I can't believe you forgot about me.
Yes, it's just install 2 characters. Why should not? Okay.
Freaking discuss the first 2 tweets for this video,
Well, how tricky was
so
it?
we posted it on our Instagram. Go follow us now.
But you could have like did it on YouTube channel. And you might. I'm gonna regret this, but the mortal songs are what I'm here for.
One of the most important
This is the Brainrot song. Words are
Otherwise, like,
Hi, I'm Uzi. Bite me.
I'm N. I love doing anything.
I'm V, not Uzi. I trust you. I'm J. There's
Okay,
no escape, even in death.
I'm Lizzie. Prepare to be popular.
I'm Colin, I'm a terrible dad. I'm Thad, cool kids only.
I'm Doll. Привет, привет.
Neon lights, a city of steel, where machines live, their secrets conceal. Murder drones, their purpose unknown. Lost in a world where they're all alone.
that Forensic Scarlet took over World War. Actually, I think I should call it the Brainrot song, dude. I mean the Brainrot guy. The Brainrot guy took over Motor Drums. Okay, well, I don't know if Ben's Scarlet is his actual real name, but I don't really care. Heck, he is the Brainrot song dude, so I think that's what. I'm not for the song.
Yes,
I don't know if I could survive on Copper 9 alone.
Okay, why is it always always that? Like, I don't know.
Me neither.
It's just so scary without you.
So, are we like dating?
Yeah, I guess we are. Robots need love too. I'm so scared without you.
I wish his channel did not exist at all.
I'm worse off without you. I feel it in my heart and I feel it in my soul. You're the one for me. You want me when I'm cold. Robots need love too. I'm so scared without you. 'Cause robots
battle.
Drones and murder drones can't get along, but I feel you're different. No, Uzi, I mean it. I love you. You want me to, baby?
No, I didn't mean it like that.
Hurry up, buy everything. Let's go. To build the best trampoline.
What do you mean by that?
Oh, okay.
Unless you want to.
What do you
And they lived happily ever after.
How cute! Yeah, I'm ending my hair. Hope you guys loved the video, and if you did, subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye, everybody.